Hi, this is Dr. Alan Franklin with Victory Hearing and Balance Center here in Austin, Texas. The purpose of this video today is to discuss the integration of Bluetooth technology with hearing aid technology. As we see, Bluetooth is quite the buzzword nowadays. I often get questions about Bluetooth and hearing aids working together. The fact is that's quite the trend that has been available from say 2 or 3 primary manufacturers for the last couple of years, and having just returned from the largest audiology convention in the world just recently, I can tell you that's coming. It's in the pipeline, if you will, from several more manufacturers to be introduced this year. Bluetooth was originally integrated into hearing aids for the purpose of pairing the hearing aids to a cell phone, which has traditionally been a very difficult task. The way that works, well, let me back up and tell you a little bit about what Bluetooth actually is. Bluetooth is a method of wireless data transmission. So Bluetooth effectively allows 2 devices to transmit data back and forth very efficiently, and that's what it's for. But the way it works with cell phones and hearing aids is this. Most hearing aid companies will require a third accessory, if you will, between the devices to make everything happen. But this is how it happens. So let's say the user has a pair of Bluetooth or wireless compatible hearing aids on. They have the said accessory, which currently takes the shape of a device, of a necklace that looks like this, or a necklace that looks like this. Both of these are real-time examples of the third-party accessory I'm referring to. But let's say the user once again has a pair of wireless compatible hearing aids on. They have this necklace around their neck like so, and the cell phone is in their pocket or in their purse. The cell phone rings. The user hears the cell phone ring in both ears simultaneously. The user then reaches down and presses a big button on the front of that accessory they're wearing around their neck. They can now hear the caller in both ears simultaneously. You heard me correctly. They never touched the phone. It stayed in the pocket or the purse. They can now hear the caller. The important aspect there to understand is both ears simultaneously. That's important because we know from lots of audiological research that when you use both ears, clearly you do better than when you use one. Also, we have better signal-to-noise ratio because you get a direct signal from the phone without the competing noise. When the user is done with the call, they reach down, they press that same big button, it hangs up the phone. You never had to touch the phone, so it's pretty user-friendly, as you can imagine. Now, other applications of this specific technology in hearing aids would include pairing the hearing aids to the landline or the television. These are very popular as well. To be more accurate, they don't often use some of the hearing aid companies actually use Bluetooth to do this, and others use FM technology to do that. But they sell other accessories now which will allow for direct signal transmission from the television to the hearing aids, and that's important because you get, once again, you get binaural presentation, but most importantly in that case, what you're hearing is not subject to the quality of the TV speakers or the acoustics of the room or the background noise in the room at the time. You just get a direct signal from the TV, which is optimal for listening. It optimizes what we refer to as signal-to-noise ratio. Another application is to use a similar device to get a direct transmission from your landline telephone as well. So currently that's available in maybe 3 manufacturers, and coming this year we should have a few more versions of that from different hearing aid companies. That's it on this subject. Dr. Alan Franklin with Victory Hearing and Balance Center here in Austin, Texas, 512-443-3500. Thanks and have a great day.